girl Cassie, and today I'll be showing you on how to level up your pets faster. Now keep this in mind, this method may take a while to do, so please try and pay attention to the steps I'll be giving you too. Another thing is that the method will only work for members only since they have access to the pet station, so sorry to break into you non-members. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Pick a pet to level up. For my recommendation, I suggest you choose a pet that doesn't have a level yet or is at least level 1 or 2. So pick a specific pet you want to start leveling faster with. So for an example, I'm going to use my pet ocelot kitty I just bought 2 days ago, and now I wanted to start leveling up faster. Step 2. Getting started. Once you have the pet that you selected, start filling up the bars if they are low. Now I only recommend doing 1 to 3 pets at a time for this method, because if you are using more than 3 pets, it's going to take a lot of time wasting, and it will take longer to reach your pets to a maximum level. So try and use 1 pet at a time so you won't want to waste time. For starters, I'd like to start with the food first, and then the rest. Once you've done that, your pet should already reach to level 1 if you just got a new pet. Step 3. Take your pet out to walk with you. Pets love to walk, so try and take them out for a walk most often when you're going to different places. Like you're going to go attend many different things like parties, role plays, shopping, going to your friend's den, trading, wherever you want to go. This will help your pet get in special bond with you when you're walking around different places. Step 4. Interact with your pet. When you are walking with your pet, try and interact with it. Pets will most likely get bored and the leveling will go slower if you don't interact with them. Try and do some actions like dancing or playing with your pet. This will increase their happiness and bond with you, which will make the leveling up mechanism faster. Try and interact with your pet for around 15 to 20 minutes. Another hint is that you can also put toys on your den so that they can play with them, or you can visit your friend's den if they have any other specific toys that they can play with as well. This will also help increase your chance to get more experience points for your pets. Step 5. Check your pet's bar level. So once you are done interacting with your pet between 10 to 15 minutes, check to see their reaction. If your pet is either angry or sad, that means that the bar levels on your pet is low and you need to start filling it up again. So once you go back to the pet station and refilling all the bars again, you'll notice that you'll earn more experience points when you keep filling up the low bars. So keep doing with this all the time, and this will help gain more experience if you interact with your pet more often. And then you'll start leveling up pretty fast. This is a very simple method I use all the time, and I recommend it. Step 6. Repeat until you log out or leave the game. So once you do this a few times, your pet should start leveling up faster. But once it reaches level 3 to 4, the experience in the leveling will start slowly. So keep trying to do the same thing over and over again so it wouldn't slow down. Now, whenever you want to start logging off the game, if you have anything to do or you just don't want to play anymore, your pet should start getting their bars low again after 3 to 4 hours. One thing I don't recommend is that don't try and get into the game every 3 to 4 hours because the bars can still get low for more hours. So whenever you want to log back in, you can now refill their pet's bar again to gain more experience points. Step 7. Reaching to the maximum level. Once your pet has reached the maximum level, which is 5, your pet will be high enough to head out for the pet expedition. However, you must check how much energy bars your pet has. If your pet has enough energy to go out on adventures, you can send out for an expedition. Now remember, always check to see how much each energy bar is required before selecting your pet to go out. The maximum you should get is around 5 energy bars. And last but simply not least, Step 8. Refill their energy bars. Now that your pet has returned from the expedition and you want to send them out again, repeat the method over again by filling out the bars and interact with them more so they can get more energy to go out more often when your pet reaches to a maximum level. And there you have it, on how to perfectly level up your pets faster. I hope this tutorial helps a lot because I've been working really hard to get my pet ocelot kitty to reach maximum level, including my other pets as well. Well, anyways, I'd like to thank you all for so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
My manners, just something about you turns me to a savage.